In 2025, HR isn't just about managing personal files. It's about creating a connected, empowered workforce that thrives. As companies scale, diversify, and adopt hybrid work models, the need for a modern, flexible HR platform has never been more critical. Enter HiBob, a people management platform designed for the way we work today. HiBob, also known as Bob, is a comprehensive HR and payroll platform that combines user-friendly design with powerful automation and analytics tools. It's built for mid-size and scaling companies that want to streamline HR operations while maintaining a strong sense of culture and engagement. So whether you're handling recruitment, onboarding, payroll, or performance management, HiBob brings everything together in one cohesive system. So in this video, we'll explore HiBob's most valuable features, highlight how it benefits growing organizations, and explain why it stands out in the crowded HR tech market. So for its key features and benefits, first is the centralized employee management. HiBob acts as a single source of truth for all employee records, providing detailed, customizable profiles that include job history, compensation, equipment, contracts, documents, and more. Admins can easily update records, track changes, and configure access controls by role or department. This reduces manual data entry, improves HR data accuracy, and keeps everything organized in one place. Another key feature is the seamless onboarding workflows. New hires can complete documents, access welcome materials, and get connected to their team before day one. HR can build automated workflows that trigger based on hire date, department, or location, ensuring a consistent experience for every employee. This enhances the new hire journey while saving time for HR teams and managers. Another key feature is the smart time off and attendance tracking. HiBob supports global and regional time off policies, automatically calculates PTO accruals, and syncs with calendars. Employees can view balances and request time off directly in the platform, and managers receive instant notifications. This provides full transparency and eliminates confusion around leave management across global teams. Another key feature is the streamlined payroll integration and compensation tools. HiBob doesn't just track pay, it helps plan it. Compensation management features support salary benchmarking, bonus planning, and pay equity analysis. It also integrates with popular payroll providers, streamlining the end-to-end payroll process. This ensures timely and accurate payments while aligning compensation with company goals and budgets. Another key feature is the performance management and continuous feedback. Can create and manage customizable performance review cycles, goals, 360-degree feedback, and regular one-on-one meeting agendas. HiBob encourages a culture of ongoing growth and development with continuous performance tracking. This strengthens leadership, boosts engagement, and supports employee development across the organization. Another key feature is the surveys, engagement tools, and culture features. So you can use engagement surveys, shoutouts, and organizational insights to understand employee sentiment and boost morale. This builds connection and engagement while offering leadership real time visibility into employee happiness. So, why is HiBob a great choice? HiBob is not just another HR tool, it's a platform built with today's workforce in mind. What makes HiBob truly stand out is its focus on both functionality and user experience. It strikes the perfect balance between a powerful backend for HR teams and an intuitive, friendly interface for employees and managers. The platform's flexibility is ideal for distributed and international teams, allowing each location to manage policies that suit their legal and cultural environment while still maintaining a unified system. Its people first features like engagement tracking, employee timelines, and personalized dashboards help organizations foster strong relationships and positive culture at scale. HiBob also integrates easily with popular tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, Greenhouse, and leading payroll system, making it a natural fit in your existing tech stack. It's designed to evolve as your company grows, so you never outgrow your HR platform. So basically, in an age where employee expectations are higher and HR is more strategic than ever, HiBob helps businesses stay ahead by delivering a complete suite of tools for people management, payroll, and culture building. It allows HR teams to automate workflows, enhance compliance, and focus on what really matters: supporting people and driving performance. So, HiBob isn't just about ticking boxes, it's about building a better workplace. From detailed analytics and smart workflows to performance feedback and culture tools, it empowers every team member to succeed. So if you're searching for an HR and payroll platform that's both powerful and people centric, HiBob is a top contender in 2025. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.